Hello, YouTube. I was gonna ride this morning, but I looked out my house, out the Dragon Chamber window, and I saw nothing but fog. Pretty bad fog, so I was like, okay, nah, I ain't gonna chance it. I'll just drive to Dakota. Of course, whenever I walk out of UPS, I'll be wishing I was on the bike. That's just the way that goes. Because it ain't cold at all up here right now in South Carolina. It's still 50-something degrees. Brisk, but not bad at all, not compared to NT8's. I think it was 17 degrees in Council Bluffs yesterday on the video he shot. So I don't know, I'll be out on the bike later on today. I still ain't woke up yet. Another reason why not to ride. But I don't know. I'm gonna start saving me up some money to get me a 380 pistol to go take my CCW permit with. CCW test with. My daughter and son-in-law have had theirs for quite a while now, for over a year. I go out there all the time and shoot either one of them's 380, and they both got different guns now. They both spent some money and got 2 or 3 pistols. CCW carry, which I don't think my daughter ever totes hers, but my son-in-law, he totes one every day. So I don't know. Looking forward to that in the near future. And I am leaning towards the 380 line. Although I would take another Astra 9mm if I could find one. I did love that pistol back whenever I used to own it. I don't know yet, but looking forward to doing that one day and getting that accomplished. I do carry one on the bike if I go out of town. I carry it in one of the bags anyway. Personal safety, but I don't know. Looking forward to it though. Headed into UPS this morning. Just shut down the computer a while ago at the house. Was watching some YouTube vids. I was watching one, I can't remember the guy's name now, but he was thinking NT8 lived in Chicago. Nah, bro, NT8 lives in Council Bluffs. suburban rider lives in Chicago. So yeah, I'm kind of trying to plan a trip up to Chicago this year. Don't know rightfully when yet. That would be a nice bike ride from South Carolina to Chicago. About, I'm not sure how many hours yet. I'll probably do it in a day or 2 days max, so I'm not pushing it too hard. I want to take a visit up to Chuck's house. Hang with Chuck for a while. For a week maybe. At least that's my plans if it's financially able to do for me later on. Well, I'm gonna tell you what, this fog is so thick you can't cut it with a butter knife. I'm just having to watch the white lines on the road. That's all I can do, because you can't see 20 foot in front of you. That's for sure. There's Columbia Metropolitan Airport that I am passing. There's Columbia Aviation, Bank Air, for rent corporate hangars, and there's some planes. Pretty decent sized airport. Of course, it ain't nowhere near as big as O'Hare Airport in Chicago. But my turn at. Can't see it for heck today. There we go. Okay, the battery is going dead on this camera, so I guess I will catch y'all later. I'm going to go home and recharge the batteries.